there guys, Allie here from Parkside Nutrition, and today I wanted to talk a little bit about blood sugar. If you aren't following me on Instagram, I talked about this all last week, and I believe it is a super important topic, especially when we are talking dietary adherence and just trying to go after long-term health. I'm usually the girl talking about poop and gut health and how that's important, but blood sugar is definitely up there as well. A lot of people beat themselves up because they can't stick to their diet, they have sugar cravings, all those types of things, and it's not your fault. Discipline and willpower sometimes cannot override those signals from your body. And so having a balanced blood sugar and removing that stressor on your body is so important. So stay tuned, and we're going to talk about why it's important, how you can fix it, how you can prevent blood sugar crashes, those sugar cravings, and more. All right, so what do I mean when I say blood sugar? And this is the basically circulating energy or carbohydrate, glucose is a carbohydrate, in your blood. And it's feeding your tissues, your cells, giving them energy so they can work properly. So maintaining a proper balance is super important. Our body likes balance. It likes staying in a tight little range. When we get too high or too low, it's a really big stressor, and your body tries to fix that pretty quickly. So when we are talking about blood glucose getting too low, this can especially affect the brain. It thrives off glucose, and that's can be a very dire situation, ending up in a coma or even death if it gets too low. Some symptoms of low blood sugar, so this is when we're getting like a below 70 milligrams per deciliter, can be shakiness, anxiety, sweating. If it gets too low, it can lead to seizures, loss of consciousness, and even death. So it's a very serious medical condition. On the other side of things, if our blood sugar is chronically too high, it can damage our vital organs, it can damage tissue, our vascular system, so our blood vessels can get damaged, our kidneys, vision problems, and nerve problems. And in an acute situation, if our blood sugar is too high, it can lead to a diabetic coma and even death. Some symptoms of high blood sugar are going to be headaches, trouble concentrating, blurred vision, frequent thirst, frequent urination. Those last two, especially, is your body trying to dilute the amount of sugar that's in your bloodstream by adding water to your blood and by peeing it out as well.